Good afternoon and welcome to the Humidor Report. Justin here with the next installment of the Humidor Report right here from Beaumont's very own Cigar Club. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about Rocky Patel, and we did get some stuff that we haven't seen in a bit back in, but we did get something in that we have not had in here before, and that is the Rocky Patel Sun Grown Maduro. Now this one actually made some waves when it first hit. It launched at the 2015 IPCPR trade show, actually the last trade show that I personally attended. And this one was a little confusing at first because there is one of the older blends from Rocky Patel just called the Rocky Patel Sun Grown, which kind of gave the impression that this was the same blend with a Maduro wrapper. But it's not. It's not even made in the same factory. The original Sun Grown is made at the Plasencia factory, Valparaiso, in Valparaiso, Honduras. And this one is made in Tavicusa, which is Rocky's factory that he had built in Esteli, Nicaragua. So this is Nicaraguan made. To give you the tobacco breakdown on it, it is a broadleaf Maduro wrapper with a dual binder. I haven't been able to find anything that gives any clear specifics as to what they're using for said binder. If it's just two binders of the same type or two different types of binders, I can't find anything more than dual binder. So it is a double binder on that, and the filler is all Nicaraguan, all from the Condega region of Nicaragua. It's pretty full body, definitely on the fuller bodied side of the spectrum from Rocky Patel. This one actually has gotten a 95 rating from Cigar Aficionado, and in 2016, the year after its release, it actually took the #2 cigar of the year in the Cigar Aficionado Top 25. So pretty strong rating for a blend that at that point was only about a year old. Cigar Dojo and Cigar Snob also had good opinions on this cigar in their 2015 ratings. Both of them put the Sun Grown Maduro in their top 10. I think it was at number 8 on one and number 5 on the other. But that is the Rocky Patel Sun Grown Maduro. First time we've had it here. Something I'm definitely happy to see added to our lineup. And while we were at it getting this in, we did get a few other things back in, things you might not have seen in a little bit. Rocky Patel 60 San Andreas wrapper on that one. That one's finally back in stock, as is the San Andreas wrapped Disciple, both releases from last year. Now I've got Java hanging out over here, certainly nothing new by any stretch of the imagination, but Java's been under reduced production now since I believe like at least April of last year. So getting Java has been extremely difficult. With this order though, we were able to get 5 boxes of Java, which means that they will not be here long. We have the Toro and the Corona in the Maduro wrapper that you see on the table, and in the Connecticut, the Latte is what they call that one. We have the Corona, the Robusto, and the Toro in stock, but only 1 box of each. And anybody who's been shopping for Javas, I've been telling everybody now for the last year, if you see them, get them, because they have been extremely difficult to come by. So Java's back in stock, Disciple's back, 60's back, and we're happy to have the Rocky Patel Sun Grown Maduro now added to the lineup here at Cigar Club Southeast Texas. Again, this will be airing on Wednesday, but we shoot it on Friday. So last night was a great event at our Lake Charles store. I want to thank everybody who came out to meet Pedro Gomez and Jenny Lynn Hunter from Drew Estates. We had a wonderful event in Lake Charles. So thanks everybody who drove some many miles to be there. So we want to thank everybody for a really great turnout last night and a great event in Lake Charles. And for anybody who's watching over here in Southeast Texas, if you've not made it to our Lake Charles store, it's just an hour down the road. Whenever you're passing through Southwest Louisiana, please go by and check out our home base, our headquarters in Lake Charles, and tell them we sent you with love and hope you guys enjoy what we've got happening in Lake Charles as well. So that's going to wrap up this week's edition of the Humidor Report. Remember to like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you know what's hip and happening here at Cigar Club. And until next week, I'm Justin, and we'll see you at the club.